Okay, guys, so let's talk about power verbs. So, oftentimes in questions, and in this particular situation, we've been talking about writing prompts, right? Or writing questions that we're having to answer in a written form. We're going to dive in or quickly dive into what these power verbs mean to do because they each tell us to do something a little different. So I want you to look at the three power verbs that I'm going to go through today. And as I go through them, I want you to understand how they work based on a billboard. So you're noticing on the screen right now, I see a billboard, right? So if I were to ask you, describe the billboard on this Canvas slide, what would you say? Note that when you describe, you give details about what you are being asked about. So if I'm being asked about the billboard, I'm going to describe it, tell you about what I see. So an example of how a person would describe this would be the billboard is an advertisement for McDonald's that shows two different drinks. That's describing the picture. Now, when I ask you to analyze, it's taking a little bit, I'm sorry, not analyze, I'm sorry, explain. That's next. We're going to think of it like leveling up. You're still going to describe, tell me what I'm seeing, or tell me what I'm reading, but you're going to level it up and truly explain. Now, when you explain, you describe and then go into the reasons why. So if I were to ask you, explain the billboard, you might say, the billboard is an advertisement for McDonald's that shows two different drinks. Its purpose is to make you want to purchase a drink from McDonald's. So I not only described what I saw, but what the purpose is behind it, the why. Now let's take it even further. You can level up one more time with the word analyze. Now, analyze is when you not only describe, not only you explain, but you go even deeper than that. So if I were to ask you to analyze this billboard, an example of your answer might be the billboard is an advertisement for McDonald's that shows two different drinks. Its purpose is to make you want to purchase a drink from McDonald's. The colors of the billboard make you notice immediately. They might have chosen the yellow to make the price really stand out. Notice how I not only described what I saw, I analyzed why I saw what I did, and then I went to into a deeper level. Maybe asking myself, why did they choose the red? Why did they choose the yellow? Why did they choose these two drinks? So it's just taking a little step deeper. Now, describe, explain, analyze typically are the power verbs that you're going to see. There's some more, so understand that these may not be your only ones, but they're the ones that we're going to talk about today.